y squared equals minus 12x. The point is minus 3, 6. We're going to find the tangent to normal and sketch. So let's differentiate this then. It's a function of functions, so differentiating with respect to y, that is a power. So 2 comes down, it's y to the power 1, multiplied by the something, which is y, differentiated. We use the function of function rule. Dy dx. Minus 12 times x, x differentiates to 1, minus 12 lots of. So that tells us then that dy dx is equal to minus 12, bring the 2 underneath, it will be minus 6 over y. So at p, dy dx then is equal to, when y is 6, put it in here, we get minus 1. So we can write down the equation of the tangent then. Y minus the value that the line goes through, 6, is equal to the gradient, which is minus 1, x minus the x value, which is minus 3, so that makes it plus 3. So rearranging, we get y equals, there'll be minus x on this side. Move the 6 over to be plus 6. We've got a minus 3 here when we expand the bracket. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. So we've got that line then, and that's our tangent. Now the normal. So we've got y minus 6 is equal to, and then we've got x plus 3, but instead of it being a gradient minus 1, the normal will have gradient 1, because they're perpendicular to the tangent. So that tells us then that y is equal to x when we expand the bracket, plus 3 here, move another minus 6 over to join it, becomes plus 6, 3 plus 6 is 9. So there's the normal. So now we can do the sketch. Now you'll notice that the x-axis is minus 12x. So you're only going to get solutions when x is negative here, because if you put, say, minus 3 in, x illustrated here, we get the value of 6 and minus 6, don't we? So it's inverted backwards, isn't it? The x-axis is reflected through the y-axis, isn't it? So there's our parabola there. When x is 0, y is 0, so it just means we draw it around the other way. So let's do that then. Try and draw it as symmetric as possible. So there's the sketch of the parabola. Now we were asked to draw the tangent to normal at minus 3, 6. Let's put that in there. That's minus 3. This is 6. So we'll have a straight line here, up here. So let's mark that off then with a straight line as best we can. So I'm there. I'm going to move up to there and try and draw this straight line tangential here as best I can. Okay, so we've got that. It should really be like that, really, shouldn't it? But I'll have to draw it a bit steeper. Well, I'm going to undo it and take it down a bit over here, say. Try and draw it like so. There, where that's better. Okay, that's the tangent at the point P. So let's mark off the point P. Here it is here. And this is the tangent that we mentioned, given by this equation here. Here's the intercept of 3. Now we need to draw the normal. X plus 9 is the normal. So it's going up like so, isn't it? So let's try and draw that. So I'll draw a line there as best I can. So I'll come over here, probably about there. So I'll just take it from there and go through it like so. Okay, and that's the normal. So let's mark that off as well. So this is the normal, given by y equals x plus 9.